समय है और ऐसे में देखना ये होगा कि क्या इनकी कोशिश कामयाब हो पाती है। पूरी तरह से सलमान के वकीलों की टीम लगी हुई है।
लेकिन जब तक फैसले की कॉपी हाईकोर्ट नहीं पहुंचेगी तब तक क्या फैसला हो पाएगा उस पर?
बिल्कुल अबुल, देखिए अभी तक फैसले की कॉपी हाईकोर्ट नहीं पहुंची है। ये अपनी अर्जी जो इन्होंने बनाई है, जमानत याचिका बेल एप्लीकेशन जो बनाई है वो लेकर पहुंचे हुए हाईकोर्ट, क्योंकि वहां पर पहले ही दूसरे अर्जियों पर सुनवाई चलती रहती है, एप्लीकेशन पर सुनवाई चलती रहती है, तो वहाँ कतार लगाना वहाँ बहुत जरूरी है, क्यू में जाना बहुत जरूरी है। तो क्यू में जाने के लिए ये जो कोर्ट के रजिस्ट्रार है उनको बता दिया गया, रजिस्ट्रार ने कोर्ट नंबर दे दिया है। अब वहां पर एक एप्लीकेशन जो है वो मूव किया जाएगा। लेकिन इसी बीच जो दूसरे, जैसे मैंने
amounting to murder, which is the most severe charge, and apart from that, of course, also rash and negligent driving, driving under the influence of alcohol, and leaving the spot without informing the police. Has been arguing, they wanted a 3-year sentence, and they in fact wanted him to pay compensation because they had been saying that he's been doing a lot of good work and a lot of charity, and he runs an organization called Being Human. He wanted to continue making donations to that trust. Also, he did say that Salman should not be treated as a celebrity. In fact, he should be treated as an ordinary citizen, and in the rush to set an example, no unfair treatment should be meted out to him. But the defense, on the other hand, argued that it was important that exemplary punishment was handed out to the actor so that this would act as a deterrent in such future cases, so that these cases would not happen again, and anybody who was found guilty of culpable homicide or any such severe charges that Salman Khan has now been found guilty of will be facing severe action. The defense also said law is equal, and if it was anybody else in Salman's place, then they would be handed out a similar sentence. Interesting development today was how Salman's lawyer submitted a medical certificate to the court saying that he was suffering from some kind of a medical condition which would cause trauma for him if he's incarcerated. So obviously, to what extent the judge has taken that on board in terms of deciding what the sentence is, that's also...
He was once Salman Khan's sidekick, a young police officer assigned to protect the Bollywood star. Now Ravindra Patil's life has taken a full turn. Today he struggles for survival.
Salman Khan, big screen hero and an ambassador for underprivileged children. But here's someone who's hoping the actor sits up and takes notice. Ravindra Patil, Khan's former police bodyguard, who was with the actor on the night Khan ran over and killed a pavement dweller in an inebriated state 5 years ago. Once a strapping young man by the actor's side, this is what Patil has been reduced to: 30 kilos of skin and bone. Racked by tuberculosis and destitute today, Patil is in Mumbai's Sydney hospital for Patil ever since that fateful September night when the hit and run took place. Allegedly under pressure not to depose as a witness, Patil was on the run till he was arrested, jailed and finally discharged from the police force a year ago. Ironically, Patil still lives in police quarters at Nagpada. But now, as he battles for life, the actor and the police choose to look the other way.